Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change Gmail password in mobile. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Gmail and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my avatar icon at the top right. Basically, you're going to see multiple options. If you have more than one account, you're going to see something like that. In my case, I'm going to go and choose the main account that I want to choose the password. In my case, I'm going to use this account as an example. So I'm going to click manage my account, and here you're going to see the tools to secure your account and your personal information and all that. Swipe left and you're going to see the last right here, not the last option, the last two options. You're going to see security, people, and sharing. Click on security, scroll a little bit down, click password. Basically they will direct you to confirm that this is your own basically Google account. And basically what you're going to do after you add your password, you're going to enter your new password and then confirm and hit change password. And now basically this is your new password right now, as of now. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.